everyone, and welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about the split function in Excel. This function is used to split text heading into separate column based on a specific delimiters. Let's jump and take a closer look. I'm going to show you how to do that, and this is a kind of the example. The first name and the last name is here also together. I'm going to separate it with, I'm going to make it the first name and the last name, and here I'm also using the number, here the phone number, kind of the hyphen is here. I will show you how to separate it in the another column and also the row. So this kind of the easier, just you need to follow the steps. So I'm going to use what I'm going to do, just select it, then go to the data tab, and in the data tab you can find in the data tools, in the group there is a text to column. Just click on there. The text to column is split a single column of text into multiple columns. For example, you can separate the columns of full names into separate first and last name columns. You can choose how to split it up, fixed, white, or split at each comma, periods, or other characters. So let me click on the text to columns. So I'm going to use this one. Like the delimited, the characters such as comma or tab separate is filled. So when I select this one, now you can see as a previous selected data, it will come up like this. So what I'm going to do, or you can use this one like fixed, right? Fixed or aligned in columns with a space between each field. So I'm going to use this one like delimited and use the next. And when I use the next, now you can see that it was previous. Now you can see in here, this is screen let you set a delimiter. So data's content, you can see how you text this affected in the preview below. So delimiters is here. Like if I use, because you can see in here, there I'm using the comma. Or you can use the other, if you do the other, something like here. So you can use, but I'm using the comma. Then what I'm gonna do, use the next. Then you can see the columns data format, so it will come up as a general. So then destination needs to be selected, so I'm going to use it. Then use the destination, this one. So I'm gonna use this destination for separate, and then go back again and use the finish. Now you can see here is changed. Here is gives the statement, and the next one, the last name is given here. So I can give the name, last name, and I can give the Jason first name. And now you can see it is not separated. Okay. Then I'm going to show you with the numbers, so how you can use separate it. This is the kind of the sample, simple way you can just follow it. First, what you have to do, just select it and go to the text and column. Then here you see the fixed and white field. This one, then fixed to white, then fields are aligned in column with a space between these fields. So you can use, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to the next, and here you can use this one. Like you can just take your cursor and you can use here when I give you next. Now you can see it's come up like the journal or text or date, whatever you like, and you can choose the destination, click on that and use a destination if I want to the for 1 and 2 and 3 columns. So let me just click on the 3 columns, select here, then use the finish. Now you can see in now the 3 columns. Okay, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the different thing. I'm gonna use this one for tag out. So let me just select again and go to the text and columns, then use the character search as the commas or tabs. Use this one and then use the next. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this one, take out this one, and use this symbol. Now you can see it's now changed the data preview. Then go to the next and use the destination, and let me just change the destination here. Then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna just turn the finish. Now you can see it's now changed and it's not separated from like the one text to the different text in here. Okay, so it's very easy. You can just follow these steps and you can do the spell the text or number. So there are, you have it, the spell function in Excel. This function is a great tool for splitting a text string into separated column based on specified delimiters. Thanks for watching.